In today's video, I'll show you how to set up a new Face ID on your iPhone. Let's get into the method. Open the main settings app first, and then scroll down and choose Face ID and passcode from the list. You will now need to confirm your current passcode. Within here, we have a choice on how to set up a new Face ID. To create an additional appearance, you can tap on this at the top and then scan your face, but to set up a new one, scroll down and find the option called either Reset Face ID or Set Up Face ID. Tap on whichever of these shows. If you have already set up Face ID before, you'll need to reset it first to get the setup option to appear. That's why this might show in red. If it won't let you tap on Reset Face ID, we need to temporarily disable Stolen Device Protection, but you will need to turn this back on after, and I'll remind you at the end. To do this, scroll down and tap on Stolen Device Protection and turn off the toggle switch here. You might need to scan your current Face ID here to confirm this. Now head back and tap on Reset Face ID, and then tap on the blue Set Up Face ID option. You can now follow the prompts to set up Face ID. It will involve holding the camera at head height to get it into the frame, and then moving your face around to fill the outer circle. Look all around to do this. Once this is complete, you can choose to set it up for using it with a mask, but if you don't want this, tap on the Do Not Set Up option. Your new Face ID should now be ready to use, and remember, if you turned off Stolen Device Protection, you can now re-enable this by tapping on it, and then by turning the toggle switch back on. That's how to set up a new Face ID on your iPhone. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.